apps affairs show you.
How to use live speech feature on iPhone. With live speech, you can type anything you want to say and have it spoken out loud in FaceTime and phone calls, in supported assistive communication apps, or from your device's speakers for in-person conversations. Here's how to enable and use live speech on iPhone. To enable it, go to your iPhone settings app, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Here scroll down. Under speech section, you will get live speech. Tap on that and just enable live speech from here. And now, here we can see triple click the side button to show live speech. Now let's use the live speech. So I'm going to pressing my power button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And here you will get live speech box. Here you can write anything that you want to play loudly. And then just tap on send.
Subscribe to Tich Dictamen channel.
And here we can see it's added. And this is how we can use live speech. And now go to your settings again and again come to this live speech settings page. And here if you want to add favorite phrases, tap here. Tap on this plus icon. Tap on this box to write a new phrase. Tap on save. And that's how you'll be able to add multiple favorite phrases. Go back from here, and if you want to change voice, then you can tap on these voice option, English US, English UK, and then you'll be able to select a different voice. You have to download the voice first. So this is how we can actually use live speech on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.